Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to update all apps using Winget in Windows 11, 10. Open command prompt with administrative privileges. Type Winget space, upgrade space, -h space, --, all. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.